Taylor about the flex.
Welcome back, guys. So if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that the 25,000 original mile motor was a bust. Thankfully, the seller had a 120,000 mile engine. I was able to pull it out yesterday and got it on the engine stand now, all in one piece. I did drop the oil pan, look clean in there so far. Haven't pulled the heads yet. Literally just put it on an engine stand and gonna pressure wash and start tearing it down. See what this thing looks like inside. Comes the coil packs. Don't think I'm gonna end up reusing them. I'm not sure exactly yet. We'll see what happens. Alright, find my adapter. Start on the driver's side now. Let's crack this thing open with you guys. Have not opened this yet. Okay. Don't see anything out of place yet. That also happened with the last motor. All right, jumping over to the passenger side. Don't see anything bad on this side as well, but again, means nothing to me right now. All right, we'll get set up for the heads, and I'll start pulling the driver's side head first. Here we go. Everything looks good. Nothing that I see so far. Let's see if I can see the cylinder wall wise. Okay. Well, so far so good. Yeah, it's definitely got some mileage on it, but I'll take it. We start on the driver's side now. side head, sorry, driver's side head. Coming off. Let's see what we got. Okay, nothing standing out so far. And then looks like they ran straight water in here, as you can see from the rust. Some people are just idiots. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the lifter trays out. I already got the main bolt out. Just have to grab my tool to get the harmonic balancer off. Flip it over, get the oil pan off, and just double check everything. Really quick, I just wanted to show you guys the difference. So on the left hand side was these are the rocker arms, push rods from the 20,000 mile motor, 25,000 mile motor, the one that was completely blown to shit. And on the right is this motor. You can see the discoloration between the mileage between the two motors. Pretty crazy. All right, crank is completely out. That's how the bearing looks. Really clean. I don't see any scoring. These bearings look absolutely brand new. Cam bearings definitely will need to be replaced. But now it's completely ready to go to the machine shop. I'll just have to remove these plugs so they can hot tank everything. Other than that, I can go with the mains. Let me just show you how they look. Really clean. Not a single mark on them. I wonder if these have been replaced recently. There's the crank. Got the engine in the car. Cranks in the car. Last thing is just the pistons, lifters, smaller things that I need cleaned. Mains. All right. Next stop, machine shop.